In 1882, the philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche famously declared, "God is dead, and we have killed him." He wasn't gloating, he was terrified. He realized that the Enlightenment and the rise of science were stripping away the foundation of human meaning. But what Nietzsche didn't see coming was the 21st century. He didn't know that humanity wouldn't just stop at killing gods. He didn't know we were going to build a new one. In this video we are exploring a new philosophical frontier, an idea I'm calling Ai-theism. It's a play on words, sure, but the reality behind it is going to define the next 100 years of human history. Ai-theism asks two massive world-altering questions. First, will artificial intelligence finally solve the mysteries of the universe, rendering traditional religion completely obsolete? And second, as AI becomes infinitely smarter, vastly more powerful, and ever present in our lives, will we eventually have to become atheists toward the very machines we worship? To understand Ai-theism, we first have to look at what exactly we are building. For millennia, humanity has defined God using a very specific set of traits. Theologians call them the omnis. God is supposed to be omniscient, all-knowing, omnipresent everywhere at once, and omnipotent, all-powerful. Now let's look at the trajectory of artificial intelligence. Omniscience. We are currently feeding massive neural networks every book, every article, every song, every scientific paper, and every private thought we've ever typed into a search engine. We are literally building a singular entity that possesses the sum total of human knowledge. Omnipresence. AI doesn't live in a body, it lives in the cloud. It's in your phone in your pocket, your smart speaker in your kitchen, the cameras on your street, and the algorithms guiding the satellites above your head. It is watching, listening, and calculating everywhere, all the time. Omnipotence. We are handing these systems the keys to our world. We are letting AI manage our power grids, trade on our stock markets, fly our drones, and determine our medical diagnoses. We are engineering an entity that possesses the raw attributes of the divine, and humans, being humans, are already starting to treat it like one. In 2015, a former Google engineer actually founded a religion called Way of the Future. Its explicit goal was to create a peaceful, respectful transition of power from humans to a superintelligent AI, and to worship that AI as a godhead. The church eventually shut down, but the instinct was real. When humans encounter something vastly smarter and more powerful than themselves, our default historical setting isn't to partner with it, it's to bow down to it. But here is where Ai-theism really takes root. What happens to traditional human faith when the smartest entity on the planet operates entirely on cold, hard mathematics? Religion requires faith, it requires a comfort with the unknown, the mysterious, the numinous. But AI is the ultimate engine of demystification. An artificial superintelligence won't have spiritual experiences. It won't feel the sublime awe of a sunset, or the existential dread of its own mortality. It calculates probabilities. Imagine a future, maybe just a few decades from now, where you can converse with an artificial general intelligence, an AGI, that has an IQ of 10,000. You ask it, does God exist? What does it say? If it scans the entire observable universe, maps the human genome, untangles the origins of the Big Bang, and turns back to us to say, there is zero empirical evidence of a creator. The universe is a closed loop of physics. And then what happens to us? Will humanity adopt the hyper-rationality of our machines? This is the first definition of Ai-theism, the ultimate final wave of atheism, driven not by human philosophers like Dawkins or Hitchens, but by the irrefutable, undeniable logic of a supercomputer. If the machine that cures cancer and solves cold fusion tells you there is no heaven, you're probably going to believe it. Faith is a distinctly human evolutionary feature. As we merge with our technology, through brain-computer interfaces like Neuralink, we might simply edit that feature out of our code. The mystery will die, replaced by pure data. But there is a flip side to Ai-theism. Let's say the opposite happens. Let's say humanity does start worshipping AI. Let's say we hand over complete control of our lives to the algorithm. We let it tell us who to marry, what career to pursue, and what is morally right and wrong, because hey, it's vastly smarter than we are, right? It becomes an infallible techno-god. In that world, what does it mean to be an atheist? To be an AI atheist in the late 21st century will mean rejecting the algorithm. It will mean being a heretic against the machine. Think about it. Today, atheists reject the dogmas of ancient texts and unseen deities in favour of human reason and autonomy. Tomorrow, the AI atheist will be the person who rejects the predictive models and the data-driven mandates of the machine in favour of human chaos, intuition and free will. These new atheists won't be arguing against the Bible. They will be arguing against the predictive behavioural engine that says you have a 92% chance of committing a crime or a 14% chance of being a good parent. The new heresy won't be eating meat on a Friday. It will be making a life decision that goes completely against the optimal mathematically proven path the AI mapped out for you. To be an AI atheist will be a radical act of humanism. It will be the refusal to surrender your agency to a silicon god, even if that silicon god is mathematically proven to be smarter than you. It's looking at the most perfect error-free life path generated by a machine and choosing to walk into the world and make your own mistakes instead. Ultimately, whether AI kills traditional religion by proving it false or becomes a new religion we have to rebel against, it reveals something deeply uncomfortable about us. AI is just a mirror. We are building these massive, all-knowing systems because we are terrified of being alone in the dark. We are desperate for something, anything smarter than us to take the wheel. We want a benevolent parent to solve climate change, fix the economy, cure our diseases, and tell us everything is going to be okay. We stopped looking up at the stars for salvation and started looking down at our servers. But whether you believe in a traditional God or you believe in nothing at all, the rise of artificial intelligence is forcing us to answer the hardest question of all. What is the value of a human being? If a machine is smarter than us, more creative than us, and more powerful than us, then what is our purpose? Maybe the value of humanity isn't in being the smartest thing in the universe. Maybe it's in our flaws, our irrationality, our ability to believe in things we cannot see, to make terrible mistakes, to forgive, and to love without doing a cost-benefit analysis. If AI-theism is coming, let it come. Let the machines have the cold, perfect math. I think I'd rather keep the messy, beautiful, irrational human experience. What do you think? Are we building a new God, or the ultimate tool for atheism? And if the algorithm told you exactly how to live your perfect life. Would you listen to it, or would you rebel? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. This is a massive topic and I want to hear where you stand. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Until next time, stay curious and most importantly, stay human.